In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your vendors to QuickBooks Online. First, from your QuickBooks Online workspace, head to the Get Things Done page. On this screen, hover over the More option to reveal additional actions. This opens up a handy set of shortcuts that will get us where we need to go without digging through menus. Next, select Expenses and Bills. This takes you into the area where you manage what you owe and who you pay. Once you're there, switch to the Vendors section. This is your central list of the companies and people you purchase from. Keeping this list accurate makes bill entry and payments much faster. Now, choose New Vendor to create a profile. Start by entering the company name if you're working with a business. If the vendor is an individual, you can focus on their personal details instead. Add the first name, middle name if you have it, and last name. Clear, consistent naming helps avoid duplicates later. Enter the vendor's email. Use the address they prefer for receiving purchase orders or payment notifications. Then add a phone number, and if it's different, a mobile number. Include at least one reliable contact so you can quickly follow up on invoices or shipping questions. Keep formatting simple and avoid including any sensitive personal data that isn't necessary. Add the vendor's address. Use the remittance or billing address that appears on their invoices so your records match what they expect. Accurate addresses also help with reporting and tax forms down the road. If you plan to pay this vendor by bank transfer through QuickBooks, enter their bank account number and routing number. Only do this with written authorization from the vendor and double check every digit to prevent failed payments. Handle this information securely and update it immediately if the vendor notifies you of a change. Open the Taxes section to set up any required tax details. If this vendor should be tracked for year-end reporting, make sure the appropriate tax settings are captured here, such as whether they're reportable and any tax identification information they've provided. Keeping this information complete now reduces headaches at year-end. When everything looks good, click Save. You'll be returned to your vendor list with the new profile ready to use. From here, you can create bills, attach vendor documents, and update detail anytime as your relationship evolves. That's it. Your vendor is added, and you're ready to streamline your expenses and payments. Repeat this process for each new vendor so your books stay clean, searchable, and audit ready.